Hello, very good morning, guys. This is Sang here, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today is a very interesting day because we are on our way to Tawang. This is one of the most awaited trip of Arunachal, in fact, because I have two of my very good friends, Tenzin and Path, who have come down from Bangalore. So right now we are going to the hotel, picking them up, and then from there we start the journey. Journey to Tawang, let me tell you, it takes 2 days from Itanagar, the place that we are residing currently. So today we are just journeying to Bomdila, and then we stay overnight at Bomdila, and from there tomorrow morning we leave for Tawang. Well, the journey is a little long, but then however it's going to be very exciting because you have your best of buddies with you, and then yeah, I mean you're going to have beautiful landscapes that we'll be coming across. So I'm very excited, and without further ado, let's go. Like this. So this is Tenzin, this is Parth, and are we all ready, guys?
Yes, Sam, we are.
Okay, everything packed? Come, let's go check out.
So we are starting the vlog.
This Kimi, guys, this Kimi, he's also traveling with us.
Kim is camera shy person.
Yeah.
You might see me like quite often.
Yes. So guys, I think we are approaching Bomdila. There's still a long way to go, and we just on the way we have come across this beautiful river. You can see how beautiful the scene is, so that's the reason why we have stopped here for a refreshment. We are not sure of the name of this place, but I think we are on our way to Bhalukpong, so it has to be somewhere nearby. We'll be here for another probably 5-10 minutes. We'll just chill, relax. It's a beautiful weather out here, and then we'll continue our journey. Hey guys, so we have stopped midway, and the reason we have stopped here is I have got a beautiful view, and here it is. You can see the waterfall behind me, guys. It's a gigantic, beautiful waterfall that we have come across on the way to Bomdila, and you can tell how beautiful this place is. There's also a river flowing by, and I've got to know this river name is Kameng River. So yeah, it's a fantastic place, guys. We are really enjoying the trip.
Significant light, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice.
So guys, you can see we have stopped midway again. You can see how beautiful this display of achars are. So the locals here, they make different achars and they sell it. We have achars made of bamboo shoot. You also have made of, like different fruits available here. So this is something that you can definitely buy on the way, and you can try it. I think it'll give you a fair taste of local cuisine. So guys, we have stopped here for our lunch. We have been traveling for like almost 5 to 6 hours now, and we haven't had anything since morning. So we have stopped here, and you can see how beautiful this place is. The entire area is surrounded by these mountains, and it's green everywhere. And plus the restaurant looks super cute. I'm going to show you the view. Come.
Welcome to the restaurant, Siddharth.
So guys, it's actually very hot. We are right now inside the restaurant. We're waiting for our food. Well, the place is small, but and they have a very limited menu. I think the only thing available is probably dal roti chawal with, I don't know, maybe chicken or something. So we have ordered for that. We are waiting for the food to be served, and I'll let you know how the food tastes. I think right now at this condition, anything is going to taste tasty. So it's going to be really delicious. Hopefully, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, we are waiting for our food still. So guys, the food is served finally. Here's the food, and we have some bangan, we have some brinjal, and then we have some cabbage and some fried potato along with papad and dal, and we have rice as well. This chicken is yet to be served, so let me start the food first. So guys, the food is delicious. It's just like a home cooked food. It's not too much spicy, and I think this is the best part about like eating in such small restaurants are nearby. What happens is you don't like what you can expect is a really delicious home cooked food, and yeah, it has exceeded my expectation. I think it's a good place to eat. Mm. The only complaint I have about this place is there's no fans, so especially during this time of the year, it's actually quite hot. So yeah, but otherwise it's great. I'll quickly finish my food and then we continue for the journey.
In the eye of time, nobody.
Hey guys, so we reached this place called Sessa. We just came across this. There's an orchid sanctuary in this place. So we'll try visiting the sanctuary. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't take us much time because we want to reach Bomdila before it gets dark. So that's about it. Let's explore the sanctuary now.
But your face remained the same. The swallows will be here by dawn.
So guys, we are walking inside the orchid sanctuary. The entire area is of course jungle, and we have the orchids lined up on the way. So yeah, we have different varieties, but I don't see them blooming as of now. Probably it's seasonal, and the inside looks pretty jungle to me. Let's see, we'll further explore if there's anything worthwhile. Otherwise we'll get back to the road as we have a long way to go.
The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone.
So guys, we are about to like probably 15 kilometers away from Bomdila, and this is the view we have. You can see the beautiful gigantic waterfall behind me. We have stopped here to click few pictures, and also on the other side, yeah, behind me you can see how beautiful the mountains are, and it's very foggy up there.
The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life.
Hey guys, so right now we are in a place called Tenga, and it is around 20 kilometers away from Bomdila. We will be reaching Bomdila in probably another hour. We just stopped by to have some tea, and yeah, it's a nice little place. You see behind me, that's the market of this place, and yeah, it's a good little place. But right now we will be heading towards our car because it's about to get dark. We would like to reach Bomdila before it's too dark, and see you soon.
A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody's.
Hey guys, so we finally made it to Bomdila. We are right outside our hotel. The hotel is called Norgay. It's a very basic hotel, but we thought it's just for a night, so it doesn't matter. The weather is quite pleasant actually. It just rained some time back, so it's pretty cold. But yeah, it's fantastic. I mean, this is my first time to Bomdila, and I can't wait to explore. So in some time we'll be checking in, and then probably leave our luggages and then go somewhere, explore the market area as such. And